Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the resolution on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen of the app, and you just select manga, for example the One Piece. And if you want to set the resolution of the manga, click to the screen and go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find two sections, the reading direction and the resolution. You go to the second, the resolution, and here you can find the three options, the high, mid, and the low. Actually, I use the mid bar, but if you want to use the high or the low resolution, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.